Outstanding camera for both photo and video. All thanks to 15 Meg True Chroma, ultra wide angle and telephoto cameras. You can't miss the gorgeous 6.5-inch True Chroma OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch resample rate. IP68 splash, water and dust resistant for all types of usage. 66-watt Huawei supercharge for ultra-fast charging speed in a short period. Superior performance with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, which is great for gaming. Interested? Let's have a closer look at Huawei P50 now. For accessories, a 66-watt Huawei supercharged power adapter is included. Worldwide support as you can see. Here is the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. A useful transparent TPU case. Lastly, the SIM card eject tool. Outstanding build quality, period. Stylish too, with dual matrix camera design. There are 3 colors to choose from: golden black, cocoa gold, and pearl white. Nice to hold with solid grip. Light in weight too. And the back cover does not attract fingerprints at all. Alright, let's have a closer look at the cameras. Lovely design with outstanding photo quality. Here are the volumes and power button. Speaker and mic on the top. SIM card slot, microphone, full features USB-C port and speaker at the bottom. Here is the gorgeous 6.5-inch True Chroma OLED screen. Loaded with 90Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. Professional grade color accuracy with P3 white color gamut and 1 billion colors. I love the custom color temperature adjustment the most. As usual, take your time to play around with other useful features too. Huawei P50 is loaded with EMUI 12, powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Fast and smooth response, period. You can customize the UI easily in the setting. Take your time to do so. By the way, P50 does not have Google Play Store and its services, but it does have Huawei App Gallery in return. APK installation method is your best friend for applications and games. Most apps are working fine, but some are not. Do take note. For video playback, it can play up to 4K at 60 video smoothly. Yes, Netflix supports playback up to Full HD. No HDR support though. And here are some of the benchmark scores that you might want to know. In short, fast and performing. As for battery life, it can last for a whole day easily. Shorter on gaming, that's for sure. Charging is ultra fast with 66 watt. 60% charge in half hour only. Don't forget IP68 splash, water and dust resistant for all types of usage too. That's not all. Huawei P50 is also your personal desktop PC. Besides mirroring your smartphone screen, it can output desktop interface too. For this demo, I'm using P50 as the input through touchscreen. P50 stereo speakers are loud and clear, toward the bright side. As for gaming, it is outstanding. Check them out yourself. The last is always the best. Yes, Huawei P50 cameras are fantastic. Easily one of the best smartphone cameras out there. Everything is crisp and detailed. Accurate and vivid colors too. Outstanding during the day, as you can see. By the way, all these photos are taken handheld without any stabilizer and come with a lot of useful mode. The aperture mode is one of my favorite. Enjoy SLR light shots from now on. The front camera is great as well during indoor. Perform the best in bright environment. The main 15MP True Chroma camera is the best. 16MP ultra wide angle camera performs very well too. 12MP telephoto camera is decent too, with OIS. Low light performance is great. P50 is able to capture everything clearly. Color is well in control too. The LED flash comes in handy during the night. Photo is natural without any harshness. The camera video quality is outstanding. Again, crisp and detailed. You can enjoy fast and smooth 4K x60. Telephoto lens perform well too. Steady shot thanks to OIS support. By the way, to play with the slow-mo mode is fun. FYI, the main lens does not have OIS, but still able to perform well when walking slowly. Everything is smoother with the steady shot. However, it is limited to 1080p only. Here is the video sample at night. Again, it is performing very well. The telephoto lens is great and stable too. Well, that's all for Huawei P50 review. An outstanding camera smartphone. Period. Enjoy outstanding photos and videos. Excellent games performance too. Interested? Get yours with the link below. Thanks. I'm Jace. Glad to see you around. Peace.